Hey everyone, welcome back to Live Well with You Well, and today we got another bedroom workout. It's going to be 15 minutes. You can do this anywhere, in a hotel, a bedroom where you need to keep the noise down, or you want to keep the noise down yourself, so it's going to be low impact, no noise. It's great for your bedroom or whatever. So it's going to be 15 minutes, 5 exercises, 3 rounds. It's going to be a full body HIIT workout. I really like doing this one because you get really sweaty and you're making not a lot of noise. So downstairs my family don't hear me. So the first exercise we're going to be doing is the stepping side tap. You must excuse me, the angle's got to be quite weird because it's got to be at my edge of the bedroom. So the stepping side tap, it's going to be step to the right, step to the left, bend the knees, and you're going to step to the sides with toes. So you're going to do 40 seconds, 20 seconds on. The time's going to be near here. So we're going to 3, 2, 1. So the stepping side tap, nice straight back, bend those knees. I'm going to step side to side. So it's going to be 15 minutes. Hope you guys like my red hairband. 15 minutes, 5 exercises, 3 rounds, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Nice side steps. Good thing about this, you can do it anywhere. I hope you like my plant as well. Got to feature the plant in. Okay, next is going to be on the ground. We're going to do 4 heel touches. So touch the heels, squeeze the obliques, and 4, and then we're going to do 2 ab rotations. So 1, 2, back down, 4 heel touches. So we're doing that 40 seconds. So 4 heel touches, touch heel, squeeze the obliques, and then we're going to go up and ab rotate and really squeeze rotate the core. Focus on quality reps. 2, 3, 4. So squeeze the obliques. A nice big twist. Up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and rotate. Left, right. Really focus on the squeeze and focus on the rotation. Bah. 1, 2. Down we go. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Up and left and right. Okay, next is going to be shoulder taps to elbow to knee. So you're going to be 2 shoulder taps. 1, 2. I'm going to bring the elbow to the knee. 1, 2. So do that for 40 seconds. Again, working the core, but also working the shoulders with the shoulder taps. Okay, so shoulder taps. 1, 2. Elbow to knee. Elbow to knee. You can choose whatever shoulder you want to tap first, and you can also choose what elbow you want to tap first. 1, 2. Elbow, tap. So again, really working the obliques today. 1, 2, elbow, shoulder. Give it up. Elbow, elbow, tap, tap. Elbow, elbow, tap. Okay, guys, next we got the tiptoe to touch the feet. So we're going to go up on our tiptoes, hands in the air, down on tiptoes, touch the foot. Vice versa. So we're going up with the hands, down, touch one foot, up with the hands, down, touch the other foot for 40 seconds. A great low impact movement. So nice in the air, with the hands, go down, touch the foot. Nice focused breathing. Just from this angle, I mean, I'm guessing it's the same angle. I know this is quite a weird angle you're looking at me at, but it's the best angle I can get for my bedroom. Last one. Nice. And then we're doing side squats. So simply, we step to the right and we squat. We step to the left and we squat. So we're doing that for 40 seconds, and that completes our first round of our 15-minute bedroom HIIT workout. No equipment. To the right, squat. To the left, squat. So step to the left, to the right. Nice deep squat, get nice and low. So we're nearly coming up to our 5-minute mark, a third of the way through our bedroom workout. If you're at a hotel, you're trapped in a hotel, trapped in accommodation, this is a great little workout you can do. So that completes the first round. We're going back to the stepping side tap in a little bit. Let's keep this up. I'm wearing red purple today. My red medal, red plant. My shorts over there are red as well. So stepping side taps. Bah, 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 bah. Step, step. Like we're on Strictly Come Dancing. 1 at 10. 10 dance, 10 score. Bah, 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 bah. Da, 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 da. Just keep it up, a few seconds left. And then we're on the ground. Huh, yeah! On the ground, heel touches into ab rotation. Really focus on the squeeze of the obliques and the squeeze when you're rotating. Don't just move your arms, move your whole body when you rotate. So 4 heel touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up we go. Rotate, rotate. If you can't get up to the rotation, just do 2 crunches, normal crunches, and really focus on the squeeze. But if you can, do the rotation like this. Turn the whole body, but if you can't, just do a normal ab crunch and do your best. So that's what you will do. Really squeeze that obliques, squeeze the middle of the abs. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. On to our fronts. So the shoulder taps to elbow to knee. I really like this workout because it especially works the obliques, the sides of the abs. It's always important, never forget the obliques. Okay, so shoulder taps to elbow to knee. Up we go. Shoulder, shoulder, elbow, elbow. So it's really important to try and keep the back nice and straight and your core engaged throughout this whole 40 seconds. It's easy to wobble. Try your best to keep it as straight as possible and really engaged the core. Make your core as strong as possible. Tap, tap, elbow, elbow. Tap, tap. Keep it up. Bah, elbow, elbow. Last one. Bah, bah. Nice. Onto our out legs. We're going to do the tiptoe feet taps. Feet step. I've actually not got a name for this exercise. If you can see me in that high angle. But if you can't, I don't think you'll be able to see my high hands. But you get your hands in the air and then tap. But obviously you're standing up nice and straight. I don't know if you can see me with this camera angle, which is my bad because it's just my bedroom. So what you want to do, keep it up, is lift feet in the air, straight back and then tap. Oh, I've noticed that on the first one. So keep it up, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up and down and tap. Keep it up. Nice. And then we're doing the side squats. After this, I'm going to have to change the video again because my camera doesn't like to film over 12 minutes. So after this side squat, you're probably going to have a little edit. But don't worry, I'm taking the same amount of rest as you. Keep this up. So steps to the side and squat. You don't even need a mat for this workout. I have a mat because it's more comfortable, but of course not everyone may have a mat. But do what you have. If you have a mat, that's awesome. If you don't, that's still fine. I do a lot of my workouts without a mat, especially in your room as well. I feel comfortable in my socks. You don't need your shoes, but you can wear your shoes. Okay, so keep us up. Remember, there's going to be a slight edit now, so I'm changing my camera. Not changing the camera, just pausing it. And boom. 20 seconds, just like that. I've become a master at changing over the camera. Okay, 5 minutes left, 5 exercises. Keep us up with them. Done a 15-minute bedroom workout. A solid hit. We're going to the side steps, the straight come dancing move. Bah, bah. You can swing your arms if you want, or you can just keep them straight. For me, swinging my arms make me move slightly faster. So the faster you go, the better. Keep it up. Push yourself. You got this. Boo, 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 bah, bah. Keep it up. Got a few seconds left. Bah, 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 bah. A few more. Last few. Onto the ground. We're on our 4 heel touches to our ab rotation or your ab crunches, whatever is best for you. So we're in a few seconds. Get in that comfy position on the back. Heel touches. Try and lift your shoulders as well as the heel touches. And then rotate, rotate or crunch. So when you're on a heel touch, keep your shoulders off the ground at all times. And then up, rotate, rotate. Bah, 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 bah. Give up. 2, 3, 4. Keep squeezing, especially the obliques. It's about the quality of the rep, the contraction, not about speed. Oh, my obliques are feeling it today. Got the shoulder taps, elbow to knee. Let's keep our back as straight as possible and keep the core engaged. Let's keep it up. We're going again. 40 seconds. Shoulder tap, elbow to knee, elbow to knee. Nice sequence. Bah, bah. Elbow to knee, elbow to knee. Boom, boom. It actually needs an elbow. I just noticed that. I've been saying it the other way around. Needs an elbow, needs an elbow. Keep it up. Squeeze the obliques. Bah, bah. Bah, bah. Ooh. Obliques. They felt good. Okay, up on tiptoe. Hand taps. The tiptoe hand taps. Keep us up if you can see me from this angle. I haven't checked. I thought it was right. We'll do this. Okay. Tiptoe. Tiptoe hands in the air. Down. Leg tap. Bah. Let's get it. This increases tempo. Bah. 2 minutes left. And then we're done. 50-minute HIIT room workout. Keeping this noise quiet. Perfect for hotel, perfect for bedroom, or whatever you want to do. This. Ah, put down. Nice. And last movement of the day, we're finishing on the side squat. Oh. The hairband is covering my sweat, which is quite nice. 40 seconds left. Side squat, steps to the right, step to the left and squat. Nice and low. Let's try and pick up this tempo. Keep it up. A bit fast if you can. Quick steps. Nice and low squats. Come on, final push. Keep it up. Few more seconds. Last few squats. Last one. That concludes our 15-minute HIIT workout, bedroom. You can do this anywhere. If you want, the hotel, accommodation, anywhere to keep the noise quiet so you don't disturb your neighbours or the family downstairs. I really enjoy doing these ones because it's simple.
Activity completed.
That's done. It's simple, it's effective. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you want. That'd be awesome. Have an awesome day. See you soon.